Ah.
I'm going back home now, okay?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
This is Island Pond Road.
Totally destroyed. Like almost all the houses are destroyed. Look at that tree. All the branches are destroyed. All there is like the middle. That's it. So all the branches. Now look. See, look. These branches are
Let's go here. Watch it on hit a tree.
See, right there. Right there. Right there.
Look at that. All down. Look at that. Well, whoever is looking at the news, it doesn't think that this is a big deal. Well, you need to live it in order to feel it. This is disastrous. I'm working every single day in my job from 7 in the morning until 6 o'clock in the week if I haven't had a day off. And that's just to help the victims of this disastrous